ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி நம்மளுக்கு பிடிச்ச ஜாபில் ஒரு 30 days ஆர் லெஸ்ல எப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணுறது, அதுக்கான ப்ராக்டிக்கல் டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷன் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். Hi, I'm Dr. Karuna. I'm a veterinarian and salary growth expert. I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh working professionals and job seekers like you to get your dream job and dream salary. I just need a quick favor. If you are someone who is watching the videos regularly but you have not yet subscribed the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel because my YouTube analytics and data shows 70% of the people who are watching the video, they are not subscribed to the channel. My goal is to reduce the 70% to 50% and I need your help. So make sure you hit the subscribe button before you watch the next set of videos. I believe you have done this. Let's get into the video. இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் 4 ஆங்கிளாக பிரிச்சிருக்கேன். எப்படி வந்துட்டு ஏஐ யூஸ் பண்ணி கம்பெனி எப்படி ரிசர்ச் பண்ணுறது, how to find the right company, then அதுக்கப்புறம் how to prepare your resumes and cover letters, how to prepare for interviews, then also how to do follow-up messages and other stuff. Okay, so let's go one by one. I'll be sharing my screen right now and I'll be showcasing on how to use this tool. So first, I'm in ChatGPT and the app la irukken ipo. If you don't know how to do this, already pala videos record பண்ணிருக்கேன் how to log into ChatGPT அதெல்லாம். But this is the very simple tool, ChatGPT. Log into ChatGPT and you need to give the right prompt to get the right answer. So what is the prompt? To identify the right company. Okay. Let's say, hi, I'm Karuna. I'm a marketing manager, 5 years of work experience. I'm just typing on how to identify the right company. Hi, I'm Karuna. I'm a marketing manager with 5 years of experience. I'm a digital marketing executive. Hi, I'm Karuna. I'm a digital marketing executive with 5 years of experience. I'm looking for digital marketing manager role in IT industry. And I want to work in startups with less than 100 employees. I'm very, very particular. Company should be fast growing, financially stable, have enough funds, culture should be great. So these are all the things I want in my dream company. Now let's add ChatGPT. Can you suggest me top 10 companies I can target for this role? Okay, want to work in Tamil Nadu. So let's see what ChatGPT is throwing out. I've given the details and let's see. Here are it is clearly giving. Here are the 10 startups in Tamil Nadu that you can consider targeting for digital marketing manager role. ChargeBee. Okay, I know this company. Zogo, Freshworks, Bank Bazaar, Finto Learning Solutions, Happylocate, Mojro Technologies, Specs Makers, Indium Software, Unmetric. Okay, and if I want, give me website of each company and Google rating. Let's see what this is throwing out. Can you able to see? It is completely giving the details on what is the website, what is the Google rating. You can ask multiple details also, but this is what everything you need. So this is number 1. How to use AI to do your company research. Okay. Number 2. Let's get into how to use AI to prepare a resume. Can you prepare an ATS friendly or ATS optimized resume for, let's say I want to work for Zogo based on my role and experience. If you don't have a resume, if you ask this, it will give you the template. But if you do have the resume, you can just paste you can just click here and you can attach your file and ask ChatGPT, can you optimize this resume based on the information I've given. Okay, if you give it, it will optimize the resume, it will correct anything and it will give you. Can you see? It is completely preparing your resume from scratch. It is just, okay, it's completed. So here is an ATS optimized resume, Karuna, city, phone number, email address, LinkedIn profile, portfolio, website, professional summary, professional experience, digital marketing specialist, education. See, everything is action oriented and measurable. 25%, 15%, 30% increase. Everything is optimized. Even if it is better, if you have the job description. If you have a job description and if you paste the job description here and ask ChatGPT, can you optimize this resume based on the above job description? And if you ask, it will optimize your resume. This is crazy. You just need 30 seconds or 1 minute to come out with a kick-ass resume. You can optimize your resume. You can prepare your cover letter. You can optimize your LinkedIn. Everything you can do it with the power of ChatGPT. For a company, எப்படி ரிசர்ச் பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தாச்சு, ரெஸ்யூமே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணியாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா இன்டர்வியூக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும். Okay, can you give me what are all the interview questions I need to prepare for? Can you give me what are the interview questions I need to prepare for this role in Zogo? Okay, it will spit out the questions. Can you describe a successful digital marketing campaign you have managed? How do you stay updated with the latest digital marketing trends and tools? What strategies do you use for SEO or SEM? So, digital marketing பத்தி கேட்பாங்க, strategic thinking பத்தி கேட்பாங்க, technical skills, cultural fit, behavioral questions, Zogo specific questions. It's giving complete detail on what they will ask. You can use this to prepare. Also, it is saying research Zogo, review job description, practice, prepare questions, ultimate. Okay, so you can prepare interview with the power of GPT-4o. Now we can also ask follow-up questions. When I say follow-up questions, let's say you finalized you completed the interview, and afterwards you need to follow up whether what is the update of the interview. I have completed the interview and it was good, but I didn't get any update from interviewer. Please give me a follow-up email. Now I'm following up with, here is the follow-up email template. Dear interview name, I hope this message finds well. I wanted to express my appreciation for the opportunity to interview for the position role. I enjoyed our conversation, learning more about your team and exciting projects. I'm writing to inquire about the status of the hiring process and if any decisions have been made regarding the position. I'm very enthusiastic about the opportunity to contribute and I'm eager to hear and updates you can provide. Okay, please let me know if there is any additional information in decision making process. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to your response. Warm regards, Karuna. So a quick recap. We have covered 4 things. How to use GPT-4o or AI for company research, how to find the right company. The second thing is how to use AI to prepare your resume, cover letters, or to optimize your LinkedIn profile. The third thing, how to use artificial intelligence to prepare for interviews. And the fourth thing is how to use artificial intelligence to create a follow-up email message. If you apply this to the T, you can definitely tweak it if you want. But this is how you leverage AI to land your dream job in next 30 days or less. I believe you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you will get notified on my future videos. And if you are someone who wants to take this knowledge to the next level, if you want to learn more, make sure to click the link below and attend my free Salary Secrets Masterclass where I'll go deep on some of the other tools and also practically I will also demonstrate how to go in deep when it comes to creating your marketing materials like resume, LinkedIn, cover letters. If you want to learn more, just click on the link below on the Salary Secrets Masterclass. I will see you inside the masterclass because that is where I will teach you how to get 50 to 100% salary hike every single year. If you want to learn that and if you are a corporate professional, make sure you join the Salary Secrets Masterclass. I will see you inside the Salary Secrets Masterclass. And if you want to learn more about this, I have recorded another brand new video where I will talk about 5 must-known AI tools for working professionals. எது வந்துட்டு 5 best AI tools for working professional அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். You can click on the video. I will attach the link here. Just go and watch the video. I will see you inside the next video. Bye-bye.